Hello everyone, my name is Shazib and today we are going to talk about a topic that is very near to me, right? So that topic is gait analysis. Basically, gait analysis is at the intersection of healthcare as well as artificial intelligence as a whole. So gait analysis basically means when you are analyzing the gait or movement of some person with the help of artificial intelligence. So how did gait analysis used to happen before? Before it used to happen with the help of sensors and camera in a complete laboratory setting, right? So this is the basic medical methodology of doing gait analysis. Nowadays, there is a chance and there is a methodology with the help of which this can be done, using artificial intelligence, and that is with computer vision. So when we are talking about computer vision, what it does is it takes the camera recording of any person, and by using that recording, we see what are the key points of that person, and then after seeing the key points, we further analyze whether that person's gait is good enough or not, right? So for example, a person is walking or running, or is a basketball player, or any other thing, right? So all of these things can be done, and their gait can be effectively analyzed with using only one or two cameras at best. So where is it helpful? So there are a lot of applications of gait analysis. For example, it can be used in sports science, it can be used in rehabilitation, it can be used in diseases such as Parkinson's, where there are neurological disorders that can be omitted, or in some cases there are surgeries that can be done based on the analysis of the gait, right? So how it happens is that a person's recording is being done, and after that, that recording is fed to a computer vision model. There are a number of models that are used with that, not one, right? So there are a lot of key point estimation methodologies that can be used for the concept of gait analysis. Of course, it is a deep learning methodology and it has a lot of importance, right? So it is gaining a lot of traction and a lot of attention nowadays, as people are trying to understand more and more and getting to know more and more about what RPMs are, what are remote patient monitoring systems, and what are the methodologies, and what are all the methodologies that can be used in RPM. And this is one of them. For someone who is at their home or at their office, they can just record their movement, walking or something like that, right? And then they can submit it to AI to check whether it is good or not. So it can be later linked with software. How can it be linked? And the software can just record those movements, and then it can be fed to AI. We are doing it with multiple clients already. So, and this is what basically gait analysis is. Now let's discuss a little bit about one or two its applications. One of the application is sports science. So for example, if there is a chance that a player is going to have an injury, right? So for that scenario, it is important that there is a gait of that person, right? Because as they get old, they can analyze their gait, how their movement is changing, how their joints are behaving, how their speed, cadence, all of these things are changing, and based on those things, a doctor can prescribe the best way to do this, right? It can also help physiotherapists in that way that are related to sports science. Other than that, it can be used for exercise monitoring systems. It can be used for physiotherapist systems. So one more application that I would like to discuss is it can also be used in understanding if, for example, the gait of any person is bad enough that they should have a surgery of some kind. It can be, for example, related to a neurological disease such as Parkinson's. So if someone has Parkinson's, there is a chance that they need to have a surgery or not, and based on gait it can be analyzed whether that person should have surgery or not. So previously it used to be done with the help of laboratory settings. As I have told you, there were body sensors all across your body. There can also be pressure plates using treadmills, but nowadays it can also be used. It is not the only thing that is used like that, but it can also be used via a single camera video. There are a lot of research papers on this, and Stanford and a lot of other organizations have done a lot of work on it. So yeah, this can be done. So we are doing similar projects with a number of our clients, and if you want to learn more about it, you can just click on the bell icon and wait for the next video. Thank you. My name is Shazim Hamid, and we will discuss more about healthcare in our upcoming video.